Saturday's precise and important news. Foreign Affairs Ministry welcomes the resumption of diplomatic relations between Saudi Arabia and Iran. Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in a tweet welcomed the restoration of diplomatic ties between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Islamic Republic of Iran and views this as a significant step towards fostering peace and stability in the region. A 50-bed maternity hospital inaugurated in Faryab province. A 50-bed maternity hospital and the repair of the exemption from catalog department building were inaugurated in Faryab with the presence of Deputy Finance and Administration Minister of Public Health Ministry. Kandahar's governor appointed as the temporary governor of Balkh. Haji Zaid, the spokesman of the governor of Kandahar province, told the media that the leader of the Islamic Emirate has entrusted the task of managing the affairs of Balkh province to the governor of Kandahar, Muhammad Yusuf Wafa, until the appointment of a new governor. Afghanistan Chamber of Agriculture resumes its operation after a gap of 3 years. Afghanistan Chamber of Agriculture and Livestock Products started operating again after 3 years. The works of 6 projects started in Maidan Wardak. The works of 6 projects of irrigation, road repair, and retaining walls have started in the center of Maidan Wardak province. Nearly 2,300 Afghan refugees returned from Iran. The Ministry of Refugees and Repatriation tweeted that 2,287 Afghan refugees returned to the country from Iran via Islam Kala border in western Herat province. Shorandam cement project signed. The Ministry of Mines and Petroleum says the agreement for the Shorandam cement project of Kandahar province was signed between the acting Minister of Mines and Petroleum Sheikh Al-hedayat Shahabuddin Dilawar and the head of Ahmad Nabizada company today.